All right, I already busted it through and put it through the house into the crawl space, covered that up. I'm in the midst of covering this up. I'm not gonna hook it up to the meter until tomorrow. I don't want to shut the water off. It's Sunday. So that's it. All hand dug with a pick and a trench shovel. That's it. I'll hook it up to the meter tomorrow. Started covering it up, so figure I better do a video before I get it totally covered up. Whew, I'm dehydrated. Oh me, it took me from the meter to the house, busting a hole in it and running it through. It took me 2.5 hours to do all that, so that ain't bad. Anyway, that's it. It's a Waterline. It's the old one's galvanized, and it's just went to the hole is nothing. It's so corroded, so I put PEX in anyway. Installing a Waterline by hand. So if you think you're, look, get out there and get you some exercise. Find you something to do. Most people can't even do this. I'm 55 years old and it ain't no trouble. But most people can't do this at age 35. So get out there and start working. Get something done, get you some exercise and make you some money anyway. All done by hand. We will see you on the next one.